Hey there, future decorators! Welcome to our channel where we explore all things home decor and DIY. Have you ever stared at your beige apartment walls and dreamed of a pop of color? Maybe you've wondered if you could transform your space without breaking any rental agreements. Today, we're diving into the burning question every renter has. Can I paint my rental? We'll explore the do's and don'ts and share some creative alternatives if painting isn't an option. Stick around because you might be surprised by what you'll learn. Whether you're a seasoned decorator or just starting out, we've got tips and tricks to help you make your rental feel like home. Meet Sarah. She's just moved into her new apartment and can't stand the bland white walls. Like many of us, she wants to add a personal touch, but can she? First things first, Sarah dives into her lease agreement. It's packed with legal jargon, but she's determined to find out if painting is a possibility. Aha, there it is. No alterations without written consent. But what does this mean for Sarah?
Cheerfully. Hi, I was wondering if I could paint the walls in my apartment.
Skeptical. It depends. What color are you thinking?
Here's where things get interesting. Landlords often have specific rules about what's allowed. So, here are the typical scenarios you might face when renting an apartment. It's important to be aware of these common situations to avoid any misunderstandings or conflicts with your landlord. Some landlords will let you paint the walls, but only if you get their approval first. Always make sure to get it in writing to protect yourself. This written agreement can save you from potential disputes later on. Others might say yes, but with certain color restrictions, neutral tones are usually safe bets. These restrictions are often in place to ensure the apartment remains appealing to future tenants. And often, you'll need to agree to repaint the walls to their original color before moving out. This is a common requirement to ensure the apartment is returned to its original condition, making it ready for the next tenant. Always check your lease agreement for specific details on these policies.
Got it. Thanks for confirming. So if I choose a light grey and promise to repaint it white when I leave, we're good? I really want to make sure everything is perfect.
Yes, just make sure to use high-quality paint and do a neat job. It's important to maintain the apartment's condition.
Success. Sarah's excitement was palpable. She had the green light to personalize her space. With permission granted and a plan in place, Sarah transforms her living space into something she loves. She carefully selects each color, ensuring it reflects her personality. The once plain walls now burst with life and character, making her apartment truly feel like home. And there you have it. With a little research and a polite request, you too can bring life to your rental walls. But remember, always check your lease and talk to your landlord first. Happy decorating. Did you enjoy this video? Smash that like button, subscribe for more tips and tricks, and share your painting adventures in the comments below. Until next time, happy painting everyone!